The new Razer Blade 15 is more of a minor refresh of last year's model. It's packing a 13th generation Intel Core processor, too, but this one comes from Intel's 45W series, instead of the HX series used for the Blade 16 and Blade 18. This processor is an Intel Core i7-13800H, has 14 cores and 20 threads with 24 MB of cache, and it can boost up to 5.2 GHz, so it's still plenty fast. You can also get up to an 8 GB NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU, along with 16 GB of DDR5 5200 MHz RAM and a 1 TB for Gen M.2 SSD, which is again not as powerful as the top-tier configurations of the bigger models. There's only one display configuration available this time around, and it's a Quad HD IPS panel with 100% coverage of DCI-P3 and a 240 Hz refresh rate. There's nothing too fancy here, like a dual-mode display or mini LED, but this is still a great screen. The focus of the Razer Blade 15 is being more portable than the other two models, which is greatly helped by the less powerful specs. It starts at 4.4 pounds of weight, instead of the 5.4 pounds of the Blade 16. It should also last longer on a charge since the components aren't going to use as much power. Thank you.